Hey everyone! I'm thrilled to talk about something that's crucial for our golden years, staying healthy and vibrant. Today we're diving into how Imuregen, with its unique blend of ingredients, supports health and longevity for the elderly, and even for the younger ones. Now, as we age, our bodies face numerous challenges. Joints might become stiffer, making it tough to move around without discomfort. Sleep, which is vital for our body's recovery, becomes elusive. Our cognitive functions like memory start to fade and our overall energy levels decrease. But what if I told you there's something formulated just to address these concerns? Check this out. Imuregen is a potent mix of dietary nucleotides, 20 essential amino acids, and 118 oligopeptides, along with zinc and vitamin C. Now let's break it down a bit. Dietary nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA and RNA, essential for cellular regeneration and function. This means they are directly involved in maintaining and repairing our body at the cellular level. Amino acids, on the other hand, are used to create proteins necessary for nearly every bodily function, including neurotransmitter production, which is crucial for brain health. Oligopeptides support organ and tissue function, aiding in recovery and achieving body balance or homeostasis. Together, these components work to boost our body's natural energy currency, ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, which keeps us feeling energized and ready to take on the day. In essence, Imuregen is all about supporting the central dogma of life, DNA, RNA, and protein synthesis, which affect every facet of our health. Remember, while Imuregen is designed to boost immunity and aid regeneration, it's always wise to consult with your doctor before starting any new health regimen. Staying healthier isn't just about feeling better, it's about avoiding costly treatments down the line. I hope you found this information useful. Click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more video info updates. And if you're interested in maintaining your vitality and well-being through the years, consider looking into Imuregen. Check the links in the description box below to learn more and how to avail Imuregen online. Always remember that prevention is better than the best of cure. Stay tuned to the next segment to take a peek on the amazing power and science of Imuregen when it comes to reaching optimal health and vitality. Take care and stay healthy.
Are you often feeling sick? Does it seem like you catch every cold that comes around? You're not alone. Every day, millions of people suffer from poor health, easily falling ill due to weak immunity and hereditary disease, which your DNA being damaged. The cause: an imbalanced body lacking essential nutrients. Introducing Imuregen Liquid. Imuregen is a revolutionary new way to help repair damaged DNA. It works by repairing the chemical bonds that keep our DNA together and helping to restore cellular health. A complex of dietary nucleotides that helps restore the balance of essential nutrients in your body, supporting immunity and overall health. Imuregen Liquid is a natural health booster with no side effects. It is made with natural ingredients: oligonucleotides, proteins, 20 amino acids, and minerals that help you stay healthy and strong. Say goodbye to poor health and weak immunity with Imuregen Liquid. Start feeling healthier and stronger at the DNA level today.